New Year's. I mean, I should be doing this, but I don't want to piss off my neighbors. But I'll gladly watch. That's my competition for New Year's. Y'all know that, right? I don't want to hold the camera up because the neighbors are out and whatnot. Anyway, yeah, that's definitely going to be competition New Year's. So it's nice to size up the competition. We already know we're going to blow people away. No pun intended. Oh, can you hear that? I mean, that's like a distant one. It's been like this for like the past 6 hours. Like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, Christmas Eve. That's how we do it in the South. Not me. I mean, I would. They're not in neighborhoods though. They're like on the side of the road. They can get away with more stuff like that. And they hitting some big shells. I don't know how long this is gonna go on for, because now the one night I don't put that in the camera. The one night that I filmed, I was facing that way, so I was a different group of people than this group. So it's gonna be interesting. I should have competition over here and competition over here. Yeah, I like firework wars, trying to compete to see who got the better product. Sizing up the competition. It's Christmas Eve. I'm awake. Obviously, I'm not going to be going to bed now that people are shooting off stuff. Here we go again. Bow, bow. I know where they're at. That's that farm over there. What you got over there? Woohoo! Oh, it's a dog bark. Shut the fuck up, dumbass. It's midnight. It's 12:08. Like, Jesus Christ, man. It's fucking awesome. Another cake there. What the heck is it doing? It's going nuts now. Merry Christmas, everybody. There's some fireworks for you. It's over here now on this side. Wow. I mean, maybe next year. Maybe next year I'll do it. They gotta be done. That's gotta be the finale, That's cool. Alright. That's also competition, but they gotta step that up. That is weak. So I got competition on the south, the north, and the northwest. Well, I guess northeast, northwest. Okay. This is gonna be a fun New Year's. Nice. I wonder if they're done. There's still people shooting stuff. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just like, Jesus Christ, something went nuts. It was like, firecrackers? I think the ones behind me, which I was filming initially, I think they're done. I haven't heard anything. They were pretty regular. I'm facing towards the opposite direction, seeing if they pop anything in the air, which it seems like they just did some firecrackers. I think they're probably done. Seems like it should be about that time of calling it quits. It's almost like they, right at midnight, it's like New Year's. Everything just started going nuts. They did this last year, but it wasn't as crazy as it was this time. This time they seem to have done a little bit more. Interesting. Well, y'all have a Merry Christmas. Peace. Still shooting stuff. Anyway, peace.